I think they have a small footprint when you actually compare it to site building. Site building really doesn't have the control of the usage of materials that we have. In our factory, we do have waste, but that waste is managed. It's minimized to start with, which is always the first step of controlling. And then secondly, if we do have waste, it's segregated, separated, and recycled.
So a lower carbon footprint is, especially nowadays, they're worried so much about emissions and the environment. And when you think of a stick-built home and how many times even just the contractor is driving back and forth to that site every day, so that's just your general contractor, but then you've got all of your sub-trades and all of your materials when they're being delivered and all of that stuff. So every single trip, all of that stuff is putting out to the environment, whereas when it's built in the controlled environment in the factory, everything is already there, it's built on one trip, and then everything goes all together, and there's a lot less stuff left on the site, there's not things going into the ground. Anything like that is going to be in the factory, swept up and dealt with, not exposed to the environment and to the ground.
Well, for instance, when our lumber comes in, it's brought in one B-train truckload. And that may encompass 3 or 4 homes as opposed to that truck going to general different sites. So right there's a benefit to everyone. Also, you'll notice our parking lot, it isn't all full of trucks. You do actually have cars here. Our carbon footprint just alone on carbon fossil consumption is far less than you would find in a regular stick build. The crew comes here on a steady basis. It's not as if they're having to chase all over town for parts or pieces, because everything was within the facility here. The lumber, we waste nearly nothing. We try to keep our waste down. We do have a goal of about 7%. We're at about 11% wastage right now. You won't see that in a usual stick build. Doesn't matter what we're doing, we're always trying to recycle, or it's got another basis, another home, no matter what it be, whether it be leftover vapor barrier, whether it be wood, whether it be linoleums.
Even the drywall waste that typically when you're site building goes down the nearest sewer drain, ours is recycled and the gypsum is removed and taken to a recycling facility, and it's recycled for use in other drywall products.